So hey guys, it is Dubs again. This is right after the SPX break, and I gave you guys another bingo, just to be fair to you guys, because Limited got one also. So I gave you the shot. So we will be quickly, like as fast as I possibly can. I'll be opening up this box of Dunris, empty, and we will see if we can get you guys some fun stuff out of here. So we'll blow through this like pretty fast and go through it pretty fast because we've got a lot to do on the site here this evening yet. There's base, and there's a lot of cards in here. That is base. For a hobby box, I always hate it when there's just all base packs. It's always annoying. Base. Okay, we've got the ultimate draft of Dion Phaneuf for the Toronto Maple Leafs and El Donko. Spacer. And base. Rated rookie Brandon Yip for the Colorado Avalanche, and Sean 1989 77. All right, we got a Tough Times. Lyndon Byers for the Boston Bruins, and Sean 1989 77. And we got a Boys of Winter regular card, Johan Backlund for the Flyers. And base. Spacer. And base. Okay, then we've got another rookie of Brian Pitton for the Edmonton Oilers. And nothing there. Well, Tom, I guess you could post another by now, since we're all going to be up late anyway, because this guy on the camera here decided that he was going to break 2 extra boxes. And for the Philadelphia Flyers, we got a nice die-cut autograph card of the Philadelphia Flyers. That is Mike Richards, and that one's going to El Donko. And base. Wow, that is weird. It's like crooked. And we've got a Le Gardien Marc-Andre Fleury for the Pittsburgh Penguins. A nice, nice clear plastic card there. I always forget what these are called. I'm such a bad, bad sports card guy. It's a, I don't remember. No, not the goalies in French. What the card is made of. It's a man, I can never remember that. I always remember it in spurts. No, not the goalie, like the plastic kind of card. It's a plastic card. Acetate. Yep, that's it. Acetate card. I always remember that in spurts. Okay, we got a rookie card of Nazem Kadri for the Toronto Maple Leafs. And some more base. And base. And we got another Boys of Winter. This one is Jordan Tutu for the Nashville Predators. Base. And we've got another Ultimate Draft. This is Patrice Bergeron for the Boston Bruins. And base. Oh, tough blue pack. Followed by a, what goes there? A rookie card of Arturs Kulda for the Winnipeg Jets. And base. A couple packs to go. We got a Fans of the Game, Willa Ford. We've had this one before. It is going to the Detroit Red Wings, and it's just funny because she's with the Dallas Stars player, and I have said that one before. So that one's going to the Red Wings. And all base. And we got Nice Kings of Jean Beliveau for the Montreal Canadiens, and it's kind of like a canvassy card, like 11-12 Series 1 and 2 had. So that'll be going to Canadiens. And the rest are base. 4 packs to go, and then we can move on from this old guy sitting at the keyboard here. Tired of hearing my voice? Stay tuned, and we'll give you someone else. And we've got a rookie card of Nino Niederreiter for the Edmonton Oilers. Three packs to go. This one's a little thick. Save that one for last. I hope it's a jersey card, because otherwise I'd feel foolish pulling a spacer. We got a Boys of Winter, Jose Theodore for the Minnesota Wild. And base. there could be something in here too. Looks kind of thick, but we'll see. Okay, we got another Tough Times Tim Hunter for the Calgary Flames. That one was a spacer, huh? And the last pack of your SPX Bingo box. Don't want to give the reveal away right away. Space, 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 space. Because I have no idea what it is. Could be cool, could be not. I don't know. And the card is Brian Elliott for the Ottawa Senators. It is a Boys of Winter jersey card. So that one is for Felix Victoria and the Ottawa Senators. So there we go. We are finished. That was 11-12 SPX, and that was your bonus box for the bingo. So I'm shutting her down for tonight. Everybody have a good night, and if you're sticking around on blog, we have plenty of more to come.